All right, right behind me is a gorgeous home. I can't wait to show this to you. We are in One Highlands Place in Southeast Lakeland, one of the most established, beautiful neighborhoods, seriously, in Southeast Lakeland. It's been here for a while, and let me tell you, the lots are big. It's beautiful. Look at these trees. I'm going to show you the surrounding area in just a minute. Let's go take a look at this home. It has been so well taken care of. One owner home. Let's go check it out. As promised, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this curb appeal. It sits on a corner lot, and they've done some really nice updates in this. You can see the roof. It is on the newer side, and let's just look at the neighborhood here. It's so pretty. One Highlands Place, super established neighborhood here. Again, Southeast Lakeland, very well taken care of. I don't even think there's another home on the market as we're shooting this video. This one hit the market here in a couple days, right on the corner of Highlands Place Circle. And so let's go take a look. A little over 2,000 square feet. Roof is newer. Just put some nice mulch in here for some even better curb appeal. Again, one owner, built in 1987 or 88, right there, right in the late 80s. And so while there's always room for improvement to do things, here's what the owner did. They painted the whole interior and exterior, inside and out. And there's new carpet. Smells really nice. So let's back up here. So right here you have a formal dining area. Excuse me. And you can see the chandelier there. So it's backing up here. It's nice size. Okay, big old window there with a little ledge, if you will. Not really a seat, but a big ledge. And then the formal living is right here. Sliding glass doors onto the screened porch. To the right is the primary suite. We're going to go there in just a minute. But first, let me show you the kitchen area. All right, let's head into the kitchen. So you're going to see nice size kitchen, granite countertops, ceramic tile flooring, plenty of cabinets, plenty of counter space. Again, these are original, but they are solid. Even with the fluorescent lighting here, a lot of people will just take that up and then put canned lighting in there and have like a little mini tray ceiling in the middle of the kitchen. Here's the nook area, nice size nook area. So you could put a round table easily, or even a rectangle table for that corner. Big family room here. Again, the new carpet smells so nice. Ceiling fan, and then this goes right into that screen porch area. Room for bar stools right underneath here. You can see nice open design. It's a great floor plan. And so I'm going to give you can see kind of looking back this way to the living room, and we're going to show you that in just a second. I just kicked some lights on because I realized I didn't have lights on above the bar area. So you've got this right too, and then ceramic tile flooring all in here. So the high traffic areas, you got the tile. Let's go to the master bedroom side. Take a look. Again, a little over 2,000 square feet. Nice size master bedroom. Again, this is heading out into the screen patio and porch. I'm gonna show you that yard in just a minute. And then heading into the master bathroom. You'll see it does have double sinks. And then here's your shower. So you got the shower door here. So your shower kicks around there. And very nice size walk-in closet. Again, a lot of it's original. You could do the updating as you want to, but look at the size of this closet. It's huge. You could add shelving, but plenty of shelving up here with the wire shelving. And again, if you want to do any upgrades, you could always redo countertops, but a big long mirror, and then your fluorescents up here are all light and bright. So plenty of room to put your towels here and that sort of thing. So let's keep on going. I did want to point out too in this kitchen, so a couple things. The pantry area is right here. And of course, this is a Kenmore fridge then you range your dishwasher, and then they did at some point update the countertops, you can tell, and had the larger sink in here too, and did a little bit of updates. Put some new pools in here, but a lot of it's original. It's a one owner. Look at all this storage area too. So it's a one owner home, so it's really been well taken care of. The bones are fantastic. So heading back here, it's a nice hallway, first of all. Let me just kind of point that out. Off the beaten path, so quiet, away from the area over here. So it's kind of tucked back around here is the other 2-bedroom and 1 bath. So first of all, here is a nice sized room. It was a former office, but you can see it's just a nice sized room here. The closet is kicked around here. Now, I also want to point this out because you don't see this. Look at these closet doors. Look how great condition they are. Along with, look, the old original door. Look at this. The brown with the brown trim. Again, they had the interior painted, but left this, and it's in great condition. I mean, look at these doors. They're in great shape. So if you want to paint them or change them out, great, but other than that, you don't need to. Linen closet here. Here's your other full bath. It's got the tub shower combination. And again, you can always see if a home has been well taken care of or if they just clean it up for the realtor, I call that, is look at the grout. A little hard to tell from that angle here, but a lot of times just look at the tile. This is original, and you can tell it's been really well taken care of, right? And then here is your sink, got a little extra counter space over there, and then your lighting over here. So again, the bones are fantastic, and this area is second to none. This back bedroom is really nice size. Drop a comment below. You want to know any of the size of the rooms, you want to take a look at it. And then there's your closet area. So of course, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Then you have your laundry this way. So they are including the washer and dryer. This goes out into your garage, 2-car garage. And what we're gonna do is you kind of get a good idea of the flow of this particular home. Let's go out to the lanai area. Show you the size of it. Shut this sliding glass door here. You can see how big this lanai is. It's massive. And they did new mulch all the way around. A gorgeous backyard, so pretty. Let's walk over here. You can see all the new mulch. Nice size shade tree. It goes back to the side, so all freshly mulched. All over here, looks fantastic. And look how lush this grass is. And again, it's a corner lot, so it's larger than your average lot because you have a lot of yard over here too. And you can see the outside. It's just a cream puff of a house. Side entrance garage, which again gives you more elevation. Plenty of parking. You can see where I parked here. Here's another big tree. And here's on the other side, the neighbors. Again, just immaculate, quiet. There is a tennis court here. Very modest HOA. Fantastic home. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this home in One Highlands Place. I don't think it's gonna last long, so when you see this video, drop a comment to me if you want to take a look at it, if you're local, or do a FaceTime, or we can talk about more of the details. Location, and this home has absolutely got it. And I think this is gonna make somebody a really nice family home that they can some great memories with. So we've helped a few families out here in this neighborhood, and it's just been fantastic. All right, have a great day. God bless. We'll talk to you soon. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this gorgeous home in One Highlands Place. I would love to connect with you, talk to you about your real estate needs. We're right here in Central Florida. We service all of Polk County and outside of Polk County too. So hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you have, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. So whenever I drop more walkthrough videos or other valuable content, whether you're buying or selling anywhere in Central Florida, you will have the value from our wisdom of over 30 years that'll help you with your real estate decisions. Let's start the conversation. All my contact information is below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.